Dr. Price, it seems now we're giving a lot of vaccines to the children, and we just calibrated the cost. The average cost is for a male is about $1,200, and for a female it can be $15 to $16, $17, depending if you give this new Gardasil. That means it's $1.2 to $1 million per 1,000 patients. Is that true?
That is absolutely true. It has become a major issue. There have been articles about it in the New York Times. There are articles about it in the AAP News. The AAP and the AMA are battling this issue now with the legislator, with the state agencies, and so on. We do have some states that have programs in which the state is responsible for the vaccine purchasing, which makes the vaccine available at much simpler fashion to the practicing physicians, and makes the vaccines much more readily available for the population at large. But in New York State, obviously, we do not have this program. It makes a serious issue and burdens the practice and the fashion of practice for pediatricians quite a bit.
And we have noticed in the last 5 to 6 years, we haven't seen too many pediatricians go into private practice by themselves.
Well, the cost of practicing has risen a lot, and one of the major causes, obviously, is also the issue of the cost of vaccines as part of the general cost of doing business. As physicians, we have not seen any raises in our reimbursement rates in the last 20 years. If anything, we have seen reductions in reimbursements, which makes it very difficult for people to get into practice and set up shop and lay out these kind of monies while they're building up practices.
But most pediatricians went into it to try to do a part of the world, the goodness of the children, yet they can't even make a living from it.
It's becoming very difficult, absolutely. So unless you're an established practitioner, young people today either have to go work in clinics, hospitals, or join practices that are already in existence. But in general, it's almost impossible for somebody to get started today in private practice straight out of a training program.